Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. So today I got a box from Flex Beauty Cosmetics. I will link her down below. I'll link her IG and the website. Sorry about the noise. I live right by a bus stop, and of course they had to pull up right now. So all I've done is cut the box, and I'm kind of hiding it because my address is on top. So it's in there like that. And I ordered the anti-aging day cream. Okay. Oh, oh, how cute. Look at this packaging. It says Flex Beauty Anti-Aging Day Cream. And this is the package. Oh, I like that. It has one of those little... Hold on. We've got a glare going on. Let's see. It just smells like plain lotion. There's not a strong, obnoxious scent or anything like that. It smells good. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It feels nice. It's not real greasy. And it's definitely absorbing. I can't remember what I paid for it. Maybe $39 or somewhere in there. Okay, so it says this fast absorbing oil-free formula works deep within the skin's surface and over time helps boost skin's ability to replenish and hold onto moisture. Deep Moisture Day Cream instantly relieves dryness without a heavy, greasy feeling. And it doesn't feel greasy at all. Creating softer, healthier, younger looking skin. Infused with vitamin A, C, and E, which helps to keep your skin healthy and prevent dark spots and wrinkles and protects against surface redness. An array of anti-aging ingredients which increases elasticity. The multi-peptide complex supports skin repair, collagen synthesis, and hyaluronic acid production. So that's that. Like I said, I just rubbed it in there. This is all, it's already absorbed. Does leave a little bit of a sheen, which is interesting. But it's absorbed and nice and soft. Alright, so because of Jessica Vargas, I ordered the Silver Sea. And that's all I ordered. But I got another one. By Garnet. It must be a gift, a free gift. Well, isn't that cool? That's awesome. Alright, so this is a mineral dust. It looks like that. I've never really used these. It has a little top like that, and a little shaker. I've never really used these things before, so I'm putting a little bit in the cap. Let's see, I have a brush in here. Alright, so we'll put it right. Whoa. Okay. All I did was put a little bit of it in the cap, dip the brush in, just like that. Wow, that is a beautiful silver. Holy cow. Okay. Okay, Flex Beauty. Now I'm curious. Let me see if I have one of them. This other one that was a gift that she sent, and thank you so much, is called Garnet. Or it says Garnet on the bottom, but yeah, Garnet Stardust. Okay. There's a lot in here. Look at that. I love these little, it has like a little shaker. So I'm going to put a little, oh shit, okay. Little tiny bit in the cap, like that. Dip the brush in. And go right beside. Wow, look at that. It's like it doesn't, the camera does not do it justice. Because to me, it's like blinding. Hold on. I'll put it in between. Can you see it? There we go. Wow, this is beautiful. I already have a couple looks in mind for this. So, thank you, Flex Beauty. This is beautiful. I can't wait to start using the day cream. I'm gonna start tomorrow and use it every day for 30 days. That's how I test something out. I use it every day for a month or at least 3 weeks. And I'll be using that. So there's my unboxing. And I cannot wait to use that. Look at that. That would be so nice with a blue look. Ooh, okay, I have some ideas. All right, that's my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.